Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I did something. I got the Takeda stage 2 intake. As you can see, it's good for all of these models right here. And yeah, I mean, as you guys know, if you guys follow the channel, I had some issues with the RR Racing intake. Okay, so what I noticed from the RR Racing intake, that RR Racing had this delete. I'm not exactly sure, but I think it's some kind of breather. And if you really think about it, the ECU takes that into consideration. Whatever vapors, whatever gases are coming out of your engine, that basically get recycled into your intake and then get burnt up again. Your ECU takes that into consideration, right? So, you know, if you guys watch the channel, you know that I was having issues with the RR Racing tune and intake and stuff like that, and so I basically started all over again. So I'm gonna give AFE a shot, and hopefully, you know, the experience is different. So I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna install this, and I guess just hang on tight. I'll show you guys how to install this one. It's a complete replacement as far as the intake box and stuff like that, so it's a little bit different. And yeah, I'll show you guys what this one is looking like. So just hang on tight and I'll be out there right now. Alright, so as you guys can tell, this is a stock air box, this is a stock intake once again. This is where all your fresh air comes out of. It comes in through here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace this portion right here. So just bear with me, guys, and let's rock and roll. Alright guys, so as you can see, took out the intake already. The only thing that's really holding this box in here is this like number 10 over here. Let's see what else is here. There's one down here, so one here, and I think that's it. All right, so yeah, let me go ahead and take it out and come back right now. Hey, what do you guys know about cleaning your throttle body? Do you guys think I should clean the throttle body, or maybe it won't really make a difference? I don't know, but hey, the most important thing, we're gonna keep this hose, we're gonna keep the ECU working how it should be. So yep. All right guys, so we got it all installed. Check it out. It's the Takeda intake. It's pretty in there, it's pretty solid. Really had to take off this MAF air sensor thing, put it on here. This thing is connected, this is all connected. I didn't put the sticker on because, you know, whatever. But yeah, this is the new setup. Check it out. Takeda intake. Hopefully it's real solid. Alright guys, so I managed to successfully change the intake. I'm taking it out for a ride. Well, I've already taken it out for a ride, but I just want to show you guys. As far as like performance, you know, it's like very minimal, if any. One thing I did notice though, on the backfires, like at the very top end of the RPM, it actually starts to backfire and stuff like this, so it's pretty cool. Here, let's check it out. There's all kinds of people around here, so check it out. Here, I'll pull over, we'll hit the emergencies. Check it out. So, hit the emergencies. Alright, so listen. Yeah, see at the end it kind of just shoots up like that. So, I don't know. As far as performance, like I said, don't really notice too much, if any, but you know, I do like the sound, and it sounds pretty good, and that's what we're gonna rock with. All right guys, later.